Hey guys, Taylor here with another video. Now, if you're somebody who really values keeping your garden nice and neat looking, then it's really important for you to have one awesome tool in your arsenal, and that is a hedge trimmer. Now, when picking a hedge trimmer, there are a lot of options to choose from. You've got battery-powered, gas-powered, corded hedge trimmers, and more. And basically, they're all designed to accomplish the same task, just in different ways. So which one might be best for you based on your particular situation? Well, today we're going to be reviewing some of our top choices and breaking down some of the features and benefits of each to see which one might suit your needs. Also, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so you can check them out there if you're interested. And if I do happen to find any deals or discounts, I will also throw those down there for you guys as well. First up, we have the best overall hedge trimmer, and that's going to be the EGO Power+ Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Now, one thing I will say about this hedge trimmer, it cuts clean and fast. It utilizes a 56-volt lithium-ion battery, and that will give you an impressive cutting speed of 3,000 strokes per minute. Each battery can operate the trimmer for up to 1 hour at a time. The blades are 24-inch reciprocating blades, and they are made from hardened steel. There is a really great safety feature with these blades. The moment you take your finger off the trigger, the blades will stop. Another great feature here, you don't have to worry about weather because the entire unit is weather resistant with an IPX4 weather rating. One thing we really loved about this unit was its lightweight design. It's very easy to take with you anywhere, which means that if you have larger yards, you're not going to get worn out very quickly by using this. It's light, powerful, and easy to use. If you are just looking for the best overall hedge trimmer, check out the EGO Power+ Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Next up, we have the best gas-powered hedge trimmer, and that's going to be the Poulan Pro 2-Cycle Hedge Trimmer. Now, if you're somebody that prefers gas-powered garden tools, the Poulan Pro 2-Cycle Hedge Trimmer is a great option. It has a 2-cycle 23cc motor, which is very powerful, and it has 22-inch dual-action stainless steel blades, which are capable of cutting through branches up to 1 inch in thickness. Also, generally a problem with gas-powered tools is they vibrate quite a lot. This one actually has a fantastic anti-vibration handle design, and basically it has motion-absorbing dampers to reduce the transfer of energy from the motor to your hand. Also a great feature, the handle does rotate, which actually enables you to get the perfect hedge trimming angle. This one is also surprisingly lightweight, coming in at 11 pounds. Also, even though it is gas-powered, you don't have to worry about starting it up. It does have an easy-to-start engine, so you'll never have to break your back pulling on the cord. Last up, it does have a 2-year warranty, which really makes this a great investment. So again, if you prefer gas-powered, definitely check out the Poulan Pro 2-Cycle Hedge Trimmer. Next up, for those of you on a bit more of a tighter budget, we have the best budget hedge trimmer, and that's going to be the Black+Decker Corded Hedge Trimmer. Now, this one is a great budget option, but you're not sacrificing a ton of quality. It does have lots of power and hardened steel blades that are incredibly sharp. It's also feather light, which means you'll be able to cart it around your yard with no problem at all. It comes in at 4.2 pounds, which is incredibly light compared to some of the other options on our list. This one does have dual-action hardened steel blades, and it's able to slice through branches up to 5/8 of an inch thick. It also has a great T-handle that adds maneuverability. And for safety, it does have a great protective shield between the handle and the blade. Honestly, the value on offer here for the price cannot be beat. If you are looking for a solid option at a low price, then the Black+Decker Corded Hedge Trimmer is definitely a great option. Next up, we have the best corded hedge trimmer, and that's going to be the Worx Electric Hedge Trimmer. Now, this is definitely a robust corded trimmer. Compared to our top pick, it has a bit more power, but it is a little bit heavier. This is a great option for those of you who have thicker branches at home that need something that can really get the job done. It's also an incredibly long-lasting machine and is backed by a 3-year warranty. This machine features 20-inch steel dual-action blades, and they're rated to cut branches that are 3/4 inch thick. The blades can slice at a rate of 2,600 times per minute thanks to a powerful 3.8 amp motor. Speaking of the motor, it has a great design that really reduces vibration and provides great balance when operated. Also for safety here, the D-grip front handle is protected by a plastic safety shield, and a blade sheath is packed with the tool for safe storage. It also has this neat feature called a double safety trigger, which prevents someone from accidentally activating the tool when they casually grab the handle, and its full-length power trigger. This is definitely the safest option out of any that we've reviewed. So if safety and power is important to you, then definitely check this one out. Last up, we have the best pole hedge trimmer. Now obviously this is going to be a great option for those of you with higher branches or trees that you would like to take care of in your yard. This machine has 5 different stages of telescoping extensions that can reach up to an extra 9.5 feet in length. It also features a rotating saw head that can be locked into 6 different positions at various angles, so you can delicately trim your hedge into the shape you desire. It has 20-inch dual-action steel blades that can cut branches that are 5/8 inch thick at 2,600 strokes per minute. Included, you get a 20-volt battery, which has about 30 minutes of continuous use. There is also a corded 4.5 amp version if you're someone that doesn't want to depend on a battery. This hedge trimmer also does come backed by a 2-year product warranty and a 1-year battery warranty. Anyway guys, that's a look at some of the best hedge trimmers that you can buy today. Hopefully this review was helpful for you in picking the hedge trimmer that is right for you in your particular situation. And if you do have any questions or comments, please feel free to throw them below, as I always love getting to answer as many of those as possible. Just a reminder, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so feel free to check them out there if you're interested, and if I do happen to find any deals or discounts, I will put those down there for you as well. Otherwise guys, thanks so much for watching today, stay safe out there, and I hope to see you in the next video.